back to the new class. The last class we are discussing about the wheel of time. Then I hope you all are studied how to say the time. Did you study that? Okay children. Then last class we are discussing the 60 second equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Then also we can study what 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. We already say that the 24 hours is midnight to 12 to midnight 12. That is this. Then 1 day making what 24 hours, midnight to 12 to midnight 12. Okay, in already know that the 1 day equal to 24 hours. Then we using the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. We are saying the time 12 midnight to 12 noon is denoted AM. Can you hear this word AM? What is AM? What is the full form of AM? AM is anti-meridian. AM is anti-meridian. In which time we are saying AM with AM? Midnight 12 to 12 noon. 12 midnight to noon. 12 noon is denoted AM. Understood? We already studied that 12 midnight to 12 noon, 12 noon to midnight 12. The 12 hours plus 12 hours equal to 24 hours. These are two parts. So we can say the morning section. 12 midnight to 12 noon is AM. The morning section we can say AM. 12 midnight, we write that 12 AM. Morning 5 o'clock. Morning 5 o'clock, we are write 5 AM. Morning 10 o'clock, we are write 10 AM. So 12 midnight to 12 noon is denoted AM. AM means anti-meridian. Okay, understood. Then morning section we are using AM. Okay, what is next? 12 noon to 12 midnight. 12 noon to 12 midnight is denoted by PM. What is PM? PM is post meridian. What is PM is post meridian. Full form of PM is post meridian. Okay, what about the PM? This time with the PM we can write what 12 noon to midnight. 12 midnight. So we can write this is 12 midnight. How to write it 12 noon? Then using AM or PM. 12 noon. 12 noon we can write 12 PM. Then 12 midnight we can write 12 AM. 12 noon we can write 12 PM. Afternoon. Afternoon we can say what with the PM, time with PM. 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM. Then evening 6 o'clock. How to write evening 6 o'clock? Evening 6 o'clock. Using AM or PM we can write what? 6 PM. Then afternoon, evening, night. This time we can use PM. Then AM we can use only morning. AM we can use only morning time. Okay, PM we can use the PM, afternoon, evening and night. So we can say that 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We denoted by what? 2 PM. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 AM. 2 o'clock in the evening. Not evening, afternoon. 2 PM. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 PM. 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 AM. Understood how to use AM and PM. Then AM use only morning time. The PM we can use afternoon, evening and night time. So you always remember one thing. 12 noon is 12 PM. 12 midnight is 12 AM. These two are always you remember. Okay, keep in your mind 12 midnight is 12 AM. 12 noon is 12 PM. Okay children. Then I will write some questions here. You just say AM or PM. 6 o'clock evening. 5 o'clock morning. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock night. So we can say write AM or PM. AM or PM. Write with AM or PM. Write with a 6 o'clock in the evening. Then we already afternoon, evening, night we can use PM. So we can write 6 PM. 5 o'clock in the morning. Morning we can use 5 AM. Then 8 o'clock in the night. Can use what? 8 PM. Then 2 o'clock afternoon. How to write 2 o'clock in the afternoon? 2 PM. Understood all? 10 o'clock morning. 10 o'clock morning. We use what at 10 AM. 12 o'clock midnight. We use what? Midnight. 12 AM. So this way we can using the AM or PM. Understood all? Okay, now we are discussing the 24 hours. Okay children, now we are discussing the 24 hours clock. AM and PM is given, you are making the 24 hours time. Okay, time is given, you are converting the 24 hours clock. Then first of all the question is 3 AM, 5 AM, 12:40 PM, 2 PM. Then some questions are given here. So we already know that 12 midnight to 12 noon. 12 midnight to 12 noon, there is no change the time. So the AM is given here 3 AM. How to write the 24 hours clock? We can write 3 column 2 zeros. This is 3 AM. Don't change the time in AM. So 5 AM. There is no change in 12 midnight to 12 noon in the 24 hours clock. So we can write 5 column 0, 5 hours. Okay, then 12:40 P. Then we can change the numbers up to 1. 1 PM is 13 hours. 2 PM is 14 hours. Or you take the time in your finger and count after 12. Okay, then 5 AM, then 5 hours. 12:40 PM, this is the same. Then we can write afternoon, 12:40. Like this you are right. Okay, 2 PM, you see. Then 1 PM is where? 1 PM is in 24 hours clock what? 30. And to 2 PM, take your finger 2, then count after 12. 13, 14. Then 2 PM is 40. Column 20. Got it. Then 8:40 PM. 8:40 PM. Then this is the hours 8:40 PM. You take 8 fingers in your hand. Take 8 fingers in your hand. Count after 12. Count after 12. Take 8 fingers in your hand. Count after 12. 13, 14. 24 hours clock. What is the 24 hour clock? Do you know which places we are using the 24 hours clock? 24 hours clock. Which places we are using the 24 hours clock? Railway. Railway. What is railway? Railway using the 24 hours clock. Airport. Airport also using what a 24 hours clock. What is the difference in between the 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock? In the 12 hours clock we can say AM and PM. With AM and PM can use time with AM or PM. In the 24 hours clock we can using the morning time is not changed. Morning time is not changed. Only we can say 1 o'clock, 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM. Same 24 hour clock is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour like that. But the afternoon, after 12 o'clock, we are changing after 12 o'clock, changing the 24 hours clock. How to denoted the after 1 PM, afternoon section, afternoon 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, like that. Then 12 midnight. How to denoted the 24 hours clock? We already studied, we already discussing the railway station and airport. We are using the 24 hours clock. Then 12 midnight to 12 noon, there is no change the time. There is no change the time. We are using 12 AM. We are in 24 hours clock. We are using 12 hours. 12 hours. 12 column 20. Then 1 AM. We are using the 24 hour clock 1 hour. Then 2 AM. We are using the 24 hour clock 2 hours. So 12 midnight to 12 noon, there is no change in the 24 hours clock. The same time like this. Okay. Then afternoon 1 PM. 1 PM we can say the 12 hours clock. 1 PM we can say the 24 hours clock 30. How to write? 13 hours. 30 like this. We can write like this. 13 column 20. This is the 24 hours clock. 24 hour clocks you are denoted after noon is 1 PM is 30. 2 PM 40. 3 PM 50, 4 PM 60, 5 PM 70, 8 PM continuous. We are using the continuous numbers. The 24 hours clock we can use the continuous number. Don't say 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM like that. We are using 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours, 19 hours, 20, 21 hours, 22 hours, 23 hours. Then in the 24 hours clock we are using the continuous numbers. Okay, 1 PM denoted 30, 2 PM denoted 40, then 3 PM denoted 50, then 4 PM denoted 60. Then given the 4 PM you just add 12 after 4. Then add 12 after 4. Then we have to find out the 5 PM. How to write 5 PM in the 24 hours clock? How to write 5 PM in the 24 hours clock? Then we have look at the figure. This 5 is what? 17 hours. Then how to get this up? 12. You find out the 24 hours clock. You count after 12 to 5. Take your 5 fingers and count after 12. Understood? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We got 17 hours. Okay. Then we are write 6 PM. How to write 6 PM in the 24 hours clock? You take your 6 fingers and count after 12. Count after 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We got 18. So you find out like this, count after the given time. Understood? Understood? This way we are writing the PM or AM is given. We are writing the 24 hours clock. First write the time, then put 2 columns and put 0, 2 score. This way we can write the 24 hours clock. Then 24 hours clock, your continuous, can use the continuous number. Don't say 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. like that. You are saying 13 hour, 14 hour, 15, 16 hour like that. Okay, this is the 24 hours clock. Okay, children. Understood all? 24 hours and AM and PM. Understood? Okay. Now let's stop our class now. Then we will catch up later. Bye.